So you want to mirror your object, but it's happened that the piece that you want to mirror have the subdivision. So right here I have my piece, which is this piece right here. And if I go here, I have 6 subdivision on this piece. And when I go to the formation and press mirror, they give me this error right here. This function cannot be applied to a mesh with subdivision surface. So what you need to do is kind of trick because the button is in another menu. So I'm gonna show you. If you go right here to the zip plugin, you have this another menu which is Subtool Master, and right here we have another bottom mirror. Okay, so I'm gonna press mirror, and right here we have these 2 options. So the first is to keep in the same subtool, and the second is to move to another subtool. And right here you're gonna choose the mirror axis if you want. So I'm gonna keep the x-axis, and I'm gonna press OK. Wait a minute. And there I have it. We mirror our object and we keep the subdivision levels. So I'm gonna make this for the others. Let me select the plugin, mirror, OK. And the last one, the plugin, mirror, and OK. So that's it, guys. It's very simple but kind of tricky. So hope you enjoyed.